Ladies and gentlemen, this is a check of 10 million Rwandan francs. Is it tax inclusive or exclusive? Because it's showing about 11.8 mu mikino. Okay. I think surely you deserve to say something. Now you can give a comment. Comment on all 9 songs, all the 8. Nizitara song.
Mwiriwe, abanyacubero bose bari hano, inshuti za Kina Music, abafana n'abavandimwe mwese muri aho. Nishimiye kuba ndi hano uyu munsi. Nengabo Platini, ndi umufana ukomeye w'Amarange, mwakoze ibintu byaryoshye, twishimye. Congratulations. Nari umufana w'indatwa kera. Rero, it's beautiful kuba turi aha ngaha. Thank you for the invitation. Impamvu mpamagaye uno mupapa hano niwe wanumiye. Sorry Nengabo na Platini ntabwo banekereje. Ngira ngo Arthur yabivuzeho, aho nuruki wacu hari ahirya mu nka, iyo umuvandimwe agize igikorwa cyiza cyangwa success runaka mu buzima, umuntu amuhinga. Jewe rero kuko ndi umu.com ntago ndagira ifamu. That is the smallest contribution I could give. Ngira ngo abatabizi, uyu munsi Clement arizihiza imyaka 20 amaze as a producer. So abantu ni inshuti zanjye, ni umuryango. So kugira gake nshoboye natanga, it's such an honor. Thank you so much. Bless you.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Well, Clement, I think